On this.
What do you do?
Hi.
Hi. We're making candles.
It's a lot of fun.
We're at the Lanterne Candle Lab. And I love how they have this guide.
You can actually get different scents. I'm an earth sign. I'm a Virgo. So I chose olive and moss.
Love it. And I chose limoncello. However you say that. Lemon is all I know. And eucalyptus, my two faves. And it was so easy. So with this, like, I didn't video before, but we stuck this. Okay, all right. What is it called?
Limoncello.
Limoncello. Yes, limoncello.
Wait.
Oh.
You messed up. ChinaTown is finest.
Stir the wax and fragrance. What do we start with? Using a stir stick. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Man, it's a little stressful because it's hot.
It's like you're driving.
Enjoy the scent of your candle while stirring. Oh, stir it for 20 seconds. Hold on. Ooh, you smell it?
Hold on.
How can you not smell that?
I can't. Hold on.
You got allergies.
Dude. Oh, that smells amazing.
Right?
That smells amazing.
Okay. Now we're going to press this. Okay. Here's your wax. Careful.
I'm nervous.
Okay. Come on. Don't be nervous. You're fine. Okay. So pour it in.
Oh, it's light.
Wait till it says 11.8. I can't see anything, so I'm trusting you. Okay, keep going. We got 11.8.
Yeah. Nope.
A little over. Just a hair. Okay. Oh,
You got it right away.
hold on. Let's see. There. Oh my gosh. Now we're over again. Hold on, friends. Hold on.
Okay. Let me see.
Hallelujah. Okay, we're good.
All of that she did.
Okay, all right. Now, let's pour it into your vessel, as they say. Your body is your vessel.
Your body is your vessel.
And so is your candle. Okay, so here we go. Oh, wait. The scent? Hold on. We pour the scent in there, I think. Hold on. Let's look. Pour the fragrance from your beaker. Your
nose is your beaker.
Small pitcher. Okay. Pour it in. Okay. Stir for 20 seconds. Smell anything? Any comments?
It smells like the earth, and I
Smells
like
like
it.
the earth. Yes, you said something about you are
I'm
earth sign?
Yes, I'm a Virgo.
So Virgos are they like earth scents? Is that what you're getting at?
I would say when I was a kid, I liked floral and citrus.
Uh-huh.
But now I'm more of a relaxed person. I'm more of a relaxed. Oh.
That's up for debate.
Hey,
Okay.
I heard that. Don't even think about taking it back.
More relaxed. Okay.
Don't
Well.
even think about taking it back. I heard you and you are posting that. Capiche? Good.
So now the new and relaxed Laura likes what scents?
I like earth scents.
Earth scents,
Like
such as
earthy scents.
such as
Moss,
and
olive.
olive,
I also like lavender.
probably sandalwood.
I do
maybe.
love sandalwood.
Yeah.
I do.
So, all right. I think our 20 seconds is up. So let's go ahead and pour. Oh
No
Lord, have
kidding.
mercy. That was I was nervous. I was nervous. I'm
I would have loved
I'm always
it.
nervous. Let's just say I'm not relaxed. Okay, so now
Yeah.
let's pour.
Takes one to know one.
Okay, so let's pour that into our vessel. Ooh, it smells so good in here. Remember, slowly but with confidence. Keep going. I love the color that you chose. Is that all of it?
No.
Okay, pour it. You've got room.
I'm just really nervous. I don't want to mess this up.
You're not gonna go over the edge, so you're good. Perfect. Okay, so now, I bet now we just wait. Grab your vessel and set it on the tray. Make sure the wicks are standing straight. Yep. Yep.
What do you think of your sons?
We like it. Really good. Really
I'm an
good.
earth sign, so I like earth scents. I'm a Virgo. I did olive and moss.
Oh, and real quick, let's tell people, you said it was soy and coconut oil, and
And
they're
it's non-toxic.
non-toxic,
Which
and,
is really good.
and paraben-free, so very clean burning here. We love it. We love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are adding some flowers. Oh, it looks so good. So cool. So we added glitter. Here's how mine turned out. And then I added the pink flowers. You're doing the purple. This actually might look pretty with yours too, you know? Looks really good. Ooh, love it. Got our labels on. You get to choose a custom label. Very
I
fun.
really want to marble.
I know,
this.
but you're not. So do you want to choose some, do you want to add a little of the pink too, or do you want to leave it just like that?
Oh, that's some pink.
I love how your vessel is like iridescent and changes colors when you look at it. It's like sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's pink. Looks really cool, Laura. This has been really fun, and the whole process takes about half an hour. And we'll get to take our candles home. Great place, clean, calm, nice service. Probably holds about 20 people. So come to the Lantern Lab. You can get your handcrafted candle in NYC with coconut and soy. Fun activity. Be a great date night too, or friends, or even, I wonder if they do birthday parties.
They should.
We should ask.
I don't know what to call them.
Hey, what did you call yours? The sense of.
I'm calling mine the scent of the world.
The sense of the world. I love it.
Either that or the scent of nature.
Ooh, both of those are good.
Well, looks like I'm sticking with the world.
Nice handwriting too. Gosh, I was gonna leave mine blank. Now you make me want to maybe the scent of the world. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's just look how it's getting hard. Yours is getting harder quicker than mine. Why is that?
Maybe because it doesn't like you.
Could be. Could be.
I'm kidding.
No, that is so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like you too. This is awesome. I'm just a little concerned that mine's not getting hard, but we'll see.